try to put that up because we want his clothes to look very minimalistic as possible. On the flooring, this is where we could store some of his toys, his shoes, and organize it really well. Okay?
Yeah. Where have you been all my life? You're like my personal organizer. Like every 6 months I will call you and be like, I need you back.
Don't worry. Once you get the hang of it, I think afterwards everything will come out very natural.
Oh, this is the decluttering mode. Oh my God. You're wondering, Darcy, how you gonna do this? Can't wait. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for you guys to see how I change a lot of people's homes, help people declutter, and yeah, just get organized. A lot of times people don't really know how to do it. This is what I'm working with today.
Hey, I'm looking all minimalistic. Anyhow, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are ready for this video. It will be epic. We will be doing a lot of decluttering, a lot of throwing of stuff. We will be going shopping, and I hope you guys stick around for this video. You know, my name is Darcy. Welcome to my YouTube platform. This is Avec Chic au Noir. Again, we're doing a lot of real estate. Speaking about home decor, fashion, styling at home, and trying to purchase that dream home. So basically, if you love my platform, I think it is time you sit down. You know, I love my tea, and since we're doing a full declutter, I think you should just get something to drink. You know something? I'm just gonna go in the kitchen and get a cup of tea. Be right back. Are you guys loving it? So now that we all have our cup of tea, are you ready for today's video? We will be decluttering a very small space today, and I can't wait to share the end result with you. Now, something I like to tell my clients: when you have clutter at home, don't ever feel embarrassed, because a lot of us, we work our butt off from maybe 9 to 5, 7 to 3, whatever the schedule is. Then you have to go pick up the kids, then try to rush home to cook, and then you have to clean. Like, I don't think we're superheroes over here. But then again, here comes someone like me to your rescue. We're decluttering a space today, and it's a lot of encouraging, a lot of motivating, a lot of inspirational conversation to help them let go of things they're holding on to. We want the space to be very minimalistic. We want to simplify your life, and this is my goal in these series of videos. Again, you will be seeing a lot of real estate properties, a lot of builders that I've actually spoken to on this journey to unfolding and unleashing this new brand. I hope you guys enjoyed. It is going to be exciting. And remember, be nice in the comments below, because these are real stories. All right, these are real people we're actually trying to help on this platform. Now, if you are in Canada and you're looking to work with me, my information is below. You could always send me an email, and don't forget, support my business. I do have a skincare business, guys. I sell candles, I sell soap, things to make you look luxurious as me. As you can see, I'm looking elegant as always. You could definitely support my business. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, click on the notification bell so you get to know when I upload a new video. Now let's get to decluttering someone's home. To the video.
Have this the client has decided not to keep it, but you guys know me when it comes to using what you have instead of purchasing it. But we're going to check it out and see whether or not it is something that could be maybe repainted, resprayed, reused to save extra money. You guys know me, I'm big on saving. See the durability of it. If clients really need it out, we're gonna get rid of it. Okay?
Because it's television, so no way.
No, that picture is garbage. If it was on the ground, it means it's garbage. It's no needed. I know. I would try to keep it to give it to him.
Yeah.
But I'm like, then when I look at it all the time, I'm like, no, it needs to go.
So what we're doing, we're sweeping inside of here. We're going to map out everything. Then we're going to go to IKEA and look for some beautiful storage bin for the top. We're going to change the hangers. We're going to try to put that up because we want his clothes to look very minimalistic as possible. On the flooring, this is where we could store some of his toys, his shoes, and organize it really well, okay?
Yeah. Where have you been all my life? You're like my personal organizer. Like every 6 months I will call you and be like, I need you back.
Don't worry. Once you get the hang of it, I think afterwards everything will come out very natural.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Because
I think
then all the clutter would be out. So.
I think for me is once like I get the help of just like having somebody organize it,
yes.
I can keep up with it.
Oh, yes, definitely.
It's the matter of just
We're trying to clean out the room, get everything on the outside because we want a clean canvas to work with.
It's like, woo, the robot is trying to fight me, eh?
Showing them how to really, we're just cleaning up the space. You can see very nice canvas. We're gonna get rid of those. I think it's comfortable when you have boys. Honestly, boys like to jump on the bed, so I was like, leave the bed on the floor. They like to jump on the bed. They like to play, like rustle and stuff. So or you're cleaning the walls, trying to make everything nice, dust proof when he gets in. Yeah, this afternoon I'm gonna get him involved in decluttering his own toys. So we're cleaning everywhere. So it's really good to get the clients involved when you're doing decluttering and stuff. Very good. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Here at IKEA, we're going to get a few stuff to get the place organized. As you guys know, this is my favorite place in the world. So we're gonna go to the organizing section and see what we could actually find. Beautiful day. Yeah, you like to see that, right? I like it. Yeah, it's beautiful. So we're gonna go to the organizing section because we need some bins for the, yeah, something very clean, very minimalistic. Yeah, let's see what we could get. In the kids section, we're checking out what we have for the kids. Kids bed frame. Something that could hold the bed, right? Okay. Beautiful. See the setup? Very soon. I like the yeah.
this is so easy and nice.
Yeah, oh, that is really good for books. And I like the fact that it's very minimalistic, where I don't have to have, I love that.
Yeah.
That is something new. I've never seen that before. So this is new, everybody. You guys know when I see something new from IKEA, I like to get it. So I'll definitely take a look at that. I think we're done in the kids section right now. We just got some bins, some hangers. We checked out the bed frame. So we're going to do some drilling. We're gonna go to the curtain section right now to get some curtains, and then yeah, let's go. Got a few things. Excited. She's excited. Okay. Just let it go.
Let it go. Let it go.
That is it. I understand it might bring memories, but it's time you let go. So we're hanging the thing. She's like organizing the clothes. I know you love the shirt. Come on. What is the word? Let it go. Let it go.
We're carrying it out. No, let's put it in the garbage. If it's not good,
No, I'm looking
what
like
size? What size is it?
it's a small one. Like he never wore this one. Where did he get it?
Put it in the garbage bin. I know it's the hardest thing. That's where the strength comes, when you let go of it. Let go of it. If they don't fit, yes, good job. I'm so proud of you. Good job.
Shopping.
Good job. Good job. You did good. This is what the closet is looking like right now. Yeah. And then we have one bin there with just the pants he will be needing. What do you guys think? I know it's the hardest thing to let go. Look at this. It's small. So let me just get this a bit. Again. Ready?
This is the progress of the room.
So we haven't gotten it out of bed, but this is how everything is looking. We got the J here, we got the beans here. Just a photo. Everything is off. And this is all we kept for toys. It did really good. And this is what the closet area looks like. Okay, so this is basically sweaters. He could wear this year. Later in the year, they're gonna get rid of it, replenish it. This is what's on the floor. Over here, all his pants. We decluttered his pants too. And this is what his page. Put the robot on this side here, closer to his bed. And that's basically it. We didn't get any new. We just used what the client had. And yeah, so he has these two little toys inside here. And that's basically it. You know what you guys think?
I love this ball. It's my favorite basketball.
Yeah, you like
It's my
it?
only one though.
Okay.